What if fertilization could happen outside the human body? That's essentially what IVF makes possible. First, the process begins with hormone medication. These hormones stimulate the ovaries to mature multiple eggs instead of the usual one. Inside the ovaries, several follicles begin growing. Doctors monitor this growth using ultrasound. When the eggs are ready, a final hormone injection helps them complete maturation. Then comes egg retrieval. Using a thin medical needle, doctors carefully collect the eggs from the ovaries. The eggs are immediately taken to a laboratory. And now, the fascinating part begins. A sperm sample is prepared in the lab. The egg and sperm are brought together for fertilization. Sometimes, a single sperm is injected directly into an egg. If fertilization succeeds, a tiny embryo begins developing. The embryo starts dividing. One cell becomes 2, then 4, then 8. Over several days, it develops into a blastocyst, a microscopic ball of rapidly dividing cells. Now, one carefully selected embryo may be transferred into the uterus. A thin catheter gently passes through the cervix. The embryo is released into the uterine cavity. But the journey isn't over. If implantation occurs, the embryo attaches to the lining of the uterus. Pregnancy hormones then begin rising. A pregnancy test can eventually detect these hormonal changes. But IVF isn't guaranteed to work. It is a complex medical process, and every attempt can have a different outcome.